Here we go. This is Frankie watching the wasp. As you can see him, I get a good picture of the wasp up here. See him on the light? Ooh. There's Frankie watching him. Come on, Frankie, do something. Gonna go for him? Uh-oh, did he fly away? He did. Go get him. Uh oh, Isis found him. There goes Frank. Come on. Get him, get him. Such good kitties, look at that. Gonna get him, Frank? Come on. Frankie, you wuss. What are you doing? Where is he? Did you lose him? I think Frank lost him. Frankie, where'd he go? It's gonna buzz me, I can just see it. Frankie, where's your wasp? Did you find him? Uh-oh, is he up there? Where's the wasp, Frank? I don't even see it. Do you guys see it? Come on, get the wasp. Don't look at me, I didn't scare it away. Frank, get him! Did you lose him? Oh, he's clinging to the doll up there. That's where he is, right up there. Is he too far away? What are you gonna do? You guys are wussies. You're just gonna sit there and let him sit up there? Come on, Frankie, what are you gonna do? Oh, Frank's gonna try and get up there. You get up there, Frank? No? Uh-oh. Just too high, isn't it? Aw, Frankie, are you giving up? Isis hasn't. Isis will sit here all day waiting on that wasp. Won't you, sweetie? Gonna get him for me? Alright, we'll give you a break.